Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and set up on my new triple screen laptop extender. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and take a look at it. These are super cool. Let's check it out. So you can see everything comes in packaged very well. It's got a carrying case for one of the displays right on here. User manuals. And then you got the stand and then all the Type-C adapters that you're gonna need to hook it up. So let's go ahead and actually set it up to my Surface laptop. It does work with Windows, it works with Mac OS, it works with all of the systems. So let's go ahead and actually set it up. Oh, that's cool. Wow, this is very cool. Probably one of the thinnest ones that I've seen. Check that out. And then here is the other one. They come in packaged very well. All right, and then once you take everything out of here, you will go ahead and push these out like this. So this is where we'll put our laptop, and then we'll lift these bars up like that. Place that down, and then we could put these back, which it is magnetic. So they'll literally just snap right into place. Just like that, perfect. And then what you want to do with these screens, which I did want to show, it's got the Type-C's on there and a mini HDMI on there. So we'll go ahead and actually just insert this piece right onto here. Just like that. And we'll go ahead and do the same with this one. But I do want to mention what it's also cool is you don't have to just set them like this. You can also set it like this. So we'll go ahead and just do that for this one. And there you go. So you can have one this way and one this way. So very, very cool. And then we'll go ahead and get our laptop and just place it on here. And now let's go ahead and actually hook it all up to the laptop so we can see how it looks. There it is, fully set up on my Surface laptop. As you can see, I did switch this monitor back to normal. Just because for what I'm going to use it for, I did need it that way. But I just wanted to show you can flip both of them up if you so choose to. But as you can see, you could have something on this screen, something on this screen, and then something on that screen. For this one, I did need to use my iPad for this one to, put on like YouTube on there, just because this one only has one Type-C port that supports it, or I would need to get like another adapter in order to get both of them to work. But either way, if I wanted to like have like a presentation on here and move it on here, I could do that, or move it back, or move this back over here and just open different things up. You can do that. So I thought this was really cool. And this is on extended, or you can have it mirrored as well. But like I said, I do like to have just 3 different things going on. Just definitely can help with productivity, even if you have a little bit of entertainment on here. Or you could just have like your slides on this one because, most computers will be able to display on all 3. So again, so you can see the quality is very good. All the screens look very good. You can see the quality is really good. They both look really clean. So again, if you guys are looking to need this for like your work or just for gaming, any kind of productivity, definitely look into these triple screen monitors. Like I said, the quality for even the way the laptop sits on here is very cool. I got all the adapters that I need. So if you guys are looking for a new triple screen monitor extender, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.